So today I wanted to do a little video on the digital microscope. It's one of the products that I'm definitely going to be marketing. I know it's a little hard for me to get this into focus and show you what exactly I got here. When it comes to coins, and I'm hoping to one day have a coin blog, and this one here is it's a silver dime. It's a 1929, obviously 1929 silver dime. I have a couple here that I wanted to use for expressions. This one's actually has been used. You can see it's tarnished. It's got a little wear on it. This is uncirculated $1/2, 1945 D. 1945, right? And when you see the D is on the other side. It's right over here, right there. So you can see the D very good. It's right there. So this is a 1945 $1/2. D series, Delaware. I think that's what that means. D means it was minted in Delaware. Yeah, so I'm gonna be marketing these. I own this particular one is the same one that I'll put up there. I'll have a hyperlink available for it. We hope you like it, and we hope to hear from you soon. Thank you very much.